Hey everybody, I have a great tip for you today if you're looking for a wedding photographer. I know they're not going to be happy when they hear me say this, but hold on, hear me out. If you have found a photographer that you're in love with, but their package that you want is a little bit pricey, you could consider getting their smallest package. What that's going to do is actually book their services. You're going to get a great photographer that you want, hopefully within your budget. And then as you progress through the planning, if you can upgrade, that's a great time to do it. But a lot of the upgraded services that they have in the package may include things like a photo album or extra digital prints or printed items, or even maybe extra location for engagement session, things like this. But if you can get their smaller package and then add things as you go, and the photo albums and things are something that you can add on later, even after the wedding, when you have a little bit more money freed up in the budget. So you still get your great photographer, but you'll get it in a price that you can afford. So consider that when you're looking at their packages. Happy planning, everyone.